Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or link your bank account onto the Spendee budget tracking application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device, and once you open it up, you may enter your passcode or use your email address and password to log in. After logging in, you will end up within your timeline. From here, in order to link your bank account, you can go into the More option at the bottom right corner and then choose Bank Accounts and E-Wallets, or you can also go into the Wallet section and then click on Add a Bank Account. From either one of these options, you will be taken to the Connect a Bank option. Just tap on the search box and then type in the name of your bank. After entering the name, click on your appropriate bank and you will be prompted for a premium plan. You can click on the See All Plans option to check all of the plans that are available. You can tap on the Start Now for Free option to subscribe for a 7-day free trial. Once you have a premium subscription, you can simply enter the details of your bank account and your account will be linked to your Spendee application right away, and all of the transactions that you make will automatically be updated within your timeline. And there you have it. That is how you can link or add your bank account to your Spendee budget tracking application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.